Morning, everyone. Welcome to Monday Mornings at MSEC. My name is Mark Parchetta. I'm the Manager of Employment Law Training. Just want to tell you about our upcoming ELU conference. It kicks off on May 4th in Phoenix, Arizona. Then we move to Loveland, Colorado on May 9th. Colorado Springs follows that on May 18th. Then, of course, the big show on May 25th in Denver, followed by Grand Junction on June 1st, and we wrap up in Salt Lake City on June 8th. If you'd like to register, please call 1-800-884-1328, and our registration folks can help you out with respect to that. We're going to be talking about a number of interesting topics. We'll start off with the always popular legislative and case law update to review what has happened in Colorado and other states with respect to Mountain States Employers Council. Then we'll slip into Not Your Father's Employment at Will, kind of an homage to the old Oldsmobile commercials for those of you in the baby boomer generation such as myself. Barbara Weingarten is going to talk about how different agencies are chipping away at that age-old concept. Then we're going to talk about careful communications in our Colorado locations and our Salt Lake location. Tamara Barkdahl is going to talk about how your employees are getting into trouble with their apps and their emojis and their emoticons and how they're creating potential liability for you as employers. In Arizona, we're going to substitute a discussion about Proposition 206, which is your new paid sick leave law down in Arizona. Ellen McKetterick is going to talk about that particular issue. Then we're going to talk about emerging issues in employment law. Christina Kelly is going to talk about a number of issues. One, unlimited PTO leave, which we get a lot of questions about here at MSEC. And then because a lot of you take resumes and applications online, we're going to talk about ADA accessibility for your websites, because that's becoming a very popular issue, and the governmental agencies are finding a number of employers with respect to those issues. Then we're going to switch gears, talk about the power of polarity, the multi-generational workforce that we have nowadays. And Bridget Morris is going to talk about how to deal with some of those issues that get presented in a multi-generational workforce and how to leverage the synergies of the different generations that we have working today. Then we're going to talk about e-problems at work. Mary Helen Matthews is going to talk about how our employees are creating some issues for us in their virtual worlds with their social media, and how far can you as the employer go in monitoring some of that behavior, and how far should you go with respect to that. So Mary Helen's going to explore a number of different issues from the virtual world with respect to that. And then we're going to wrap up with workplace culture wars. In this very political age that we're living in, where we have the clashes of politics, religion, and cultural sensitivity coming together in the workforce, oftentimes that's issues that you have to deal with from a human resource perspective. So that's our program for the upcoming ELU. We hope to see you there. My last look at the registration numbers is we're tracking on record numbers as we were last year. So again, call 1-800-884-1328 to register, and hope to see you at one of the venues. Thanks.